Got this stall picked up. Now I'm gonna shake it out. Shake out what's left. And then add more if we need it.
Dano's here.
Oh, watch that scoop. That's okay. That's okay. They gonna get you. That ain't gonna get you. Scooter ain't scared. Yeah. Scooter ain't scared. Come on, girl. Look. It's just sticks. Look, it's sticks. Huh? It ain't nothing. It's okay. Good girl. Yeah, she a big brave girl. Yeah. You get it, you know. Again, just picking up this last one. Well, actually there's a stall that didn't get done, so gotta muck this stall. You gotta make a clean spot to throw the clean stuff. Grab all that wet stuff. It's like, oh, that's wet and nasty. Like, you would want to lay down on that. So we toss it. Compared to this nice dry clean stuff. Oh, smile, come on. Shake back up the clean stuff. If you missed anything, toss it. Folks, come on, man. And then dump the water bucket, turn off the light, and you're done. Let's go pee. No more down here. Move it up there. Watch out, folks, here. Oh. No Carlito today?
Oh, he take off today.
Oh, good. Oh. Oaks. What Oaks? Picking up the last piles here. I'll start bending down. Meaning, put more clean stuff in once we took all this out of. Oak's teaching you bad habits, girl. Or scooter. It ain't hurting you. Huh? What you doing, Oscar? He's gonna get you. He's gonna get you, man. Ha. Ha. Okie dokie. Ha. Now we lay all these back down and fill them up. Just looking for nice, clean, dry, fluffy stalls. Scout's gotta run in the corners every time, because like 2 times the mouse came out. Whenever I picked up these piles, a mouse came shooting out of there. Now every time he's gotta run in there once I pick it up. Hooks, you better come see that. Come on, Hooksy girl. Let's go see it. Let's go pee. Hooks, come here. Come here, Hooksy girl. Yeah, you're a good girl. Good girl. Hey, Scooby. Hey, Scooby. Yeah, Scooby ain't gonna let nothing happen to you. What is it, Hooksy girl? Hey, Scooby. Hey, Scoopy, Scoop. What is that, Oaks? It's that scurry. That's scurry stuff. She's trembling. You shaking, man? Oh, Scooter moved it. You better be careful in there. That's scary stuff. That's scurry. Yeah, good girl, Oaksy girl. What is it, Oaksy girl? What is it? Oh, Scooter, I know. I'm talking to you too. Hey, Oaksy girls. So what was you barking at, you stupid dog? What was you barking at, you dumb dog? Oaksy girl being dumb dog. Now she's there all by herself. Big brave girl. Now we take this clean stuff, toss it in. Nice new, dry, fluffy stuff.
That's good. That's pretty good. Yeah. Oh no. Ay, ay.
So we pulled off too much. We were rolling it out there, so now we got all this. So that's, you know, it's nice just to have it tidy in here, but it's not happening today. Come on, buddy. These two are the tough guys. Good boy. Easy. Easy. Good boy. This is probably the toughest one we got. He looks cool though. He's got spots all over him. Kind of weird. Oh no. Boy. Oh, watch out, Oaks. Oaks. Oh. Ooh. And like I would never walk off without him, because then they'll both go nuts. You know, they come in together. Y'all buddies, ain't you? Yeah. Good boy. Stop it, man. Stay still. Can't go away. This is it. Every day. They're coming into nice clean barn, clean stalls, fresh water, new feed, nice hay. Y'all spoiled rotten, ain't you? Good boy.
Come on, that water spits many times. Stay you. Big tough guy. Boy.
All that green stuff on his mouth, that's just saliva mixed with grass. Ain't nothing. He's just dirty. Just saying. Look at this nice stall. Yeah. Oh. Boy. You always spin them around to face the door so that they can't kick you or anything when you let them go. Trying to walk out. Here's good. Here's good. Just brought these three in. You get the fillies. Hey, mama. Hey, big girl. What you doing, man? Come on. Have good work. So these come straight in, straight on the walker. You know, put some work in, and they get their breakfast afterwards, after their bath. Hey, mama. Oh, yeah. Just the light, yeah, just something different. That's it, they go to work. Oaks, come here. Look at this. Oaks, it ain't nothing, man. Come on, Oaks. Look. Ain't nothing. Yeah. So, oh, that's scary. Oh, that's so scary. Oh. Scout just run him around and around. His favorite part of the day. The boys club. Started the summer with a full barn, 20 horses in and out every day, feed, stalls. But as the year goes on, we sell them, you know. It's July sale and then Saratoga sale in New York. Now we have September sale at Keeneland. Then the October sale, and the November sale, January sale. Just keep getting rid of them. But then in January we got like 45 new foals to foal out. So 3 colts out here. They're not coming in. They're not being sold. So they get to stay out. Again, we bring them in. They stay out all night. We bring the sales horses in the morning. Because believe it or not, they'll get sunburned. It'll bleach their coats, you know. So you got to bring them in all day, and then we put them out 7 o'clock, you know, just before the sun goes down. But these ones that aren't being sold, they can just stay out and have fun. Like, look, you got 3 colts in this big, huge field. I think it's 29 acres. It's, you know, they get to stay out, so gotta feed them. Idiots. You kind of want to, I mean, colts are different, but they want to stay somewhat together, so try and keep the tubs in closer. And check their legs, halters, eyes. Yeah, just their eyes are open. Halters aren't off or over their ears. No big scratches or swelling in their legs. Yeah, just make sure it's all good. I'll just rake it up a bit before we blow. Make it easier on the blower.
Yeah, he's so right. You want it? You want it?
So he's just putting this in there, clean it up in here a bit. You know, it's an empty stall. As well put it in there we never use and leave it here where we do stuff all day. Get it, Oaks, get it. Yeah, good girl. All right, time for the fillies to come off. I'm just going around again. One more. Good, you put in that work. You put in that work in, come on. Oh, she's afraid of this bandage here. Ain't gonna get you, go on. Alright, now we're putting the Colts on. Come on, buddy. Time to go to work, man. Come on. Oh, big stretch. Oh. Again, this is a shifty. Doesn't hurt him, you know, it's just sitting in his mouth. You can just put a bar in your mouth. It's not uncomfortable, nothing. But if he does do something, and you got a little bit more control. What? He's big.
I think this was one of my man. You'll see. I don't know what to say.
Scout. Oh my. Come on. Oaks, Oscar. All sorts of stuff going on. He's freaking out. Yeah, we gotta move that. See how tense he is? He's got Julio weed eating. He's got this new thing right here, so he didn't know what it is. It's okay, huh? You're alright, man. It's okay. So tense. Relax, man. Ain't gonna get you. Ain't gonna get you. Come on. Alright, time to take the Colts off. Stop. Come on, man. Shout out, Oscar. Oh, see the fly spray? There's no flies in this barn, really. I mean, there are, but there's a lot more outside. But so they all just came off, now they get their bath. Oh, you be nice. You be nice to him now. Yeah, hey, your friend. That's your friend. Good girl.
That's not sure that. Oh.
And I keep saying bath, but I'm not getting baths, like no soap, no water, not even scraping them off, you know, clean them up. It's just to, you know, get all the sweat off. It doesn't bother their skin. Just quick spray. He's got a cool mane. Spots. You good looking, ain't you? Yeah, you good looking. Oh, he's scurry. This one's scurry.
Oh, she wanna do it? I don't like the mango. I don't like the tiny one. Yeah. You know what do the last? You know what do the last two? Yeah. Oh yeah, mountain.
Alright, doses.